Introducing to the keypad based door unlock system. In this part we are using 16:2 LCD display and one rectifier, and also we are using a buzzer and relay, Arduino Uno board and keypad, and also using a electromagnetic coil lock system. So we are providing the power supply through this adapter. So it will take the 230 volts power supply and will give a 5 volts DC that will be given to this rectifier. Using this rectifier we are providing the power supply to this door lock system. So here we can see. So one doubt will be raised on mind that it is a rectifier, but why we are giving this DC voltage to the rectifier? Because sometimes this will be give a reverse current. So to protect the reverse current we are using this rectifier from the reverse voltage or current, because in this rectifier we have a diodes which is allows only forward voltage, doesn't allow the reverse voltage. From using this rectifier we are providing the supply to this lock system. Now we can see, so the negative is directly connected to this rectifier, but the positive is connected to the relay through it is connected to the lock system. And also based on the lock system, so it is asking the enter the password. So if we enter the correct password, then only it will be open, which means door is opened, door is unlocked. Now I am pressing, so the password is 1 2 3 4, enter hash, then door is accessed. After the 3 seconds it will be closed, and again I will show you. One, two, three, 4. Sorry, so it is the wrong password right now. So I have pressed D, and again I am entering 1 2 3 and 4 and hash. So relay gets switched on and door is open and will be closed. If I enter wrong password, so we can see here 1 5 3 6, then entering hash, so you can say access denied. So in this way this part will be works. Thanks for the watching.